Hi friends, welcome to Exams Daily English. Today I have decided to share about the official notification from Bharat Electronics Limited. It's an India's premier professional electronics company which works under the Ministry of Defense. The post name is Project Engineer in the field of medical devices and the number of posts is 60 and the reservation is General 23, EWS 6 and OBC 17, SC and ST 6, 9 and 5 and the consolidated remuneration for the month is for first to fourth year. For first year, the salary will be 35,000 and for the fourth year, 50,000. The project location and the place of posting will be in district headquarters in various states. Candidates who are applying for this post or will be deployed for the installation and commissioning of ventilators in various hospitals all over the country. If you are applying, you have to be willing to travel extensively and relocate may apply for the above post. The external note is 4% of the post will be reserved for the persons with disability, that is PWD. And the terms of engagement is the project engineers will be engaged for an initial period of 2 years and may be extended for another 2 years. It depends upon your interest. And the age limit is you should be not more than 28 years for general and EWS candidates. The upper age limit will be relaxable for SC and ST candidates by 5 years and for OBC it's 3 years. And the educational qualification is you have to be eligible of completing full-time 4 years of BE in various fields like engineering courses. It may be electronics and telecommunication, medical electronics, and it's applicable for all the candidates. And the post-qualification experiences, the candidate should possess minimum of 2 years of relevant post-qualification experience. Additionally, if you are experienced in industrial electronics manufacturing, you are more desirable and the knowledge of medical equipment is more welcomed. And the selection procedure will be of qualifying criteria as specified in the advertisement and their online application. The merit list will be prepared based on the aggregate percentage obtained in BE, BTech, BSc, engineering and work experience. You have to attain 75% of marks and in your semester exams and 10% marks will be allotted for relevant work experience. Candidates have to compulsorily provide the CGPA conversion to percentage of marks. If you are not doing this, the result will be disqualified. And the results of the final selection will be available on official BEL website. And how you can apply for this post is, you can go to the Project Engineer Medical Devices for Export Manufacturing SBU Bangalore Complex. Through this advertisement you can apply for this post and the last day to apply is 26 August 2020. Or else you can also be applying through online application form and verify the same before submission. There should not be any error or there should not be any changes. The application fees for this post is for all the candidates is 500, that is general EWS and OBC candidates, and for SC and ST there is no application fees. If you are paid once, the paid amount will not be refunded, it's also included. And if you are applying through application form, what else the documents should be submitted is 10th standard marks card, it's for the proof of date of birth, and you have to submit your BE, BTech or BSc engineering degree certificate is applicable, and you have to submit all your semester marks cards and consolidated marks card. It's applicable for all the candidates. And the general criteria is the postings will be done based on the company's requirement. If you are selected for this post, you will be given insurance premium, attire allowance, stitching charges, footwear allowance and etc. Only Indian nationals need to be applied and they are only will be selecting. The post indicated above may vary based on the actual requirement. For more details you have to follow the official website. There will be no separate communication if you are not selected. And candidates whose specialization mentioned in the degree certificate does not tally with the branch mentioned in the application, and it will not be considered for interview also. Canvassing in any form will result in disqualification. For further details, or if you have any clear clarification, or you are need of any clarification, you can contact the official email hrcompsem@bel.co.in. I repeat again, the email is hrcompsem@bel.co.in. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. For further details, click the bell icon. Thank you.